Taking a video.
I would so kiss it if we knew it didn't have fleas.
Yeah, that's true.
He's all purr.
Let me see your face.
Face the camera.
Face the camera.
With your cute little face. You might have gotten it.
Maybe.
He's so cute.
I got his face in the camera.
Good. He's like, I don't like that in my face. I don't know what that is. I'm not used to humans. You're not going to finish eating? I love this cat. Already. I already love him.
He likes getting pet in the side of the face.
Yeah, he does. So do most cats, though.
Oh, he has bugs on him.
Yeah, well, we are also in the grass, you know.
I'm gonna get him.
Oh! David.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. He didn't mean to hurt you. It's okay.
I didn't hurt him. I just scared him.
Oh, dude, show him the food again.
Come here. I want to try something.
Try and feed it to him?
Yeah.
Oh. He's like, I don't care right now.
Kitty.
God, I love him. Dad, all he knows from a hand is to be pet. That's all he knows. Alright, I think he's probably gonna go now.
Alright, kitty.
He's like, alright, I gotta get back to my house. It's all getting dark.
There's food if you want it, alright?
He's like, oh yeah. Good. I still need to send this video to Vincent. Like, put it on YouTube and send it to Vincent.
I could put it on YouTube now. Like as soon as I finish recording it.
Yeah, I think you should.
Okay.
She's so cute. Yeah, so what's his name again? Bob?
You said Joe.
No, yeah, it should be Joe.
My Joe.
He looks more like a Joe than a Bob. Hey, Joe. Hey, you, Joe.
Nice face.
Joe is so cute. Hey, you, Joe. Stop looking at me.
It's alright, Joe. It's just people.
You should be used to people. You're out all the time.
Yeah, shouldn't he be used to all these noises? Oh, sorry.
I don't know if we should just leave him be.
I don't know.
Boys and girls, we have to go get food
Oh, yeah.
Go get what?
for your animals.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Joe. Bye, Joe.
Come on, Joe. Keep eating, okay? Here,
He's like, okay.
push it all toward the middle for you so it doesn't all fall out.
Bye, Joe. Don't worry, we'll feed you more.